The Supreme Court of Kenya has thrown out an application by Deputy President and President-elect William Ruto to block the 4 IEBC commissioners from being parties at the presidential petition. The 7-judge bench guided that the presidential petition was anchored on alleged exclusion of the commissioners and subsequent failure of IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati in tallying and verifying results from all constituencies and thereby barring the dissenting commissioners that meant suppression of their evidence. Samugina tells us more.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Supreme Court of Kenya.
In a series of rulings to dispense of several applications before the trial kicks off, the Supreme Court rejected an application by President-elect William Ruto to kick out the 4 dissenting commissioners from the presidential election petition case. The 7-judge bench indicated that the petition challenging President-elect William Ruto's victory stemmed from the exclusion of the 4 commissioners and alleged failure by the IEBC chairperson to tally and verify all the results, and as such, blocking the commissioners would amount to suppressing their evidence. The Supreme Court judges indicated the statement of the 4 dissenting commissioners placed them at the center of the grievances of the petitioners. President-elect William Ruto had opposed the inclusion of the 4 in the case, claiming it is the commission and not individual commissioners that conducted the disputed elections, and that all the commissioners listed as respondents in the case were in fact second-tier petitioners disguised as respondents. The president-elect termed the 4 commissioners as Azimio proxies, adding that the 4 were backing the Odinga Karua petition. In throwing out the Ruto application, the Supreme Court admitted affidavits by the 4 commissioners. Accused of subterfuge in attempting to moderate the presidential poll outcome to force the rerun, the court ruled the commissioners, led by Vice Chair Juliana Cherera, Justice Nyangaya, Francis Wanderi and Irene Masit, deserved a right of reply after being implicated by IEBC Chairperson Wafula Chebukati, Commissioners Abdi Yakub Gulie and Boya Molu in their submissions to the court. Former Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria suffered a similar fate when his petition challenging the presidential petition was struck out. The Supreme Court ruled that Kuria's petition did not meet the criteria of a presidential petition, that in fact it did not seek to challenge the declaration of William Ruto as president-elect. The Supreme Court further stated that Kuria's petition did not even have William Ruto as a party to the petition, and the prayers he sought were alien to those contemplated in the Constitution. Therefore, the Supreme Court found the former Gatundu South MP's petition incompetent and struck it out. Kuria in his petition had claimed Azimio agents and supporters violently disrupted the tallying and verification of results at the Bomas of Kenya, and the ensuing chaos at the National Tallying Center impeded the completion of the verification process. On that account, Kuria wanted Odinga's petition challenging President-elect William Ruto's declaration defeated.
Thank you, and I believe you are doing the same.
Samugina, Citizen TV, Nairobi.